Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Revolut to BBVA Bank. So what you'll need to do is open up your bank app or your Revolut and then click down here on the bottom of your screen on the payments. Next, you want to click on the bank right here where it says bank or international if you are not from Spain. And right here just enter country Spain, enter the IBAN, first name, middle name, last name, email, it is optional, and then just click on this white arrow right here, as you can see, and you'll be transferred to next page. There you will need to put all the essential information for the transfer and click OK. And that's how you do it. So that's pretty much it, and see you in the next one.